Hi everyone, thank you for joining to the video number 8 of this series. I will be working on the mast, on the cabin hatch, and also on the trimmer for the Genoa. And at the end of the video, I will show you one mistake or a piece that is not that great build and how I will planning to improve that on the next video. Let's get started. After working on the cabin hatch cover, this is the result. I have the mold here, and this is the result. At the beginning, this part here looks okay, but here I have some lack of resin, so I have to fix this one, priming and everything in this piece here. And then here, this part is going to be sit here, and here I have to perform some cuts here in this part here, and also in diagonal here, to allow to fix this better and put it like seamless with the deck. So that's some work that I have to do. Also, the acrylic window has to sit here, and also here down there will be another one, so it has to match the two in one place. So that's something that I have to be careful in this part here. I need to also anchor this part with the deck. I know, maybe using some screw here, and also this is the part that is going to control the main sheet for the main sail. So it's going to be attached here. Here's the place where the traveler is going to be in place. I have here the details of the measure to start assembling the mast. So let's do that. And now this is done, and I can vary the angle of the band with respect to the mast with turning this tube here. Really nice. Now this is the installation of the spreader. And that was the installation of the spreader. Now this is the mast already together. going to fix the hatch cover. For that, I'm going to use some resin, the hardener, and then I'm going to mix that with the silica to make a kind of filler and to mold the resin here and repair this part. This is the cabin hatch with the primer already applied. Also, it has a hole to attach to the deck of the boat, and it's already trimmed here to match with the piece that is below. I'm planning to attach here a piece of aluminum or something else to cover this union between these two pieces. So this is the traveler that I have designed. It's a 3D printed piece that has this steel tube here. And the idea is that this pulley travel in that tube to maintain the boom at the same distance. And at the beginning, I will try to put these two pieces that stop the traveler and put it in the center to test how is the boat is trimmed and everything. And then if I need, I can make other holes here to trim better the sails. I think when the wind is strong, I need to put this one farther away from the center, and when it's calm, I can put it in the center. Now this is a traveler in his final position. This is another piece of hardware that I have designed. This is the Genoa trimmer, and is similar to the traveler but for the Genoa, the front sail. This is aluminum piece, and it has different holes here. And it can slide from one position to another one, so to move this pulley back and forth. And here is in his final position in the deck of the boat. I create this little pulley also to maintain track of the main ship rope on the deck. And here is on his final position. So now this is a problem that I was commenting at the beginning of the video. This pulley, it doesn't have enough travel to accommodate to the position of the rope. So it will not function well. The traveler pulley seems to be working perfect, but this one has a problem. And also that one down there. So I had to do a redesign of the design of the pulley. So this is a new design to fit that problem for the pulley. It has different degrees of freedom. It can rotate here, it can pivot this way, and also the material used here is a 3D printing part. It has a bigger diameter and helps to rotate and keep in place the rope. I would like to know your opinions about the project so far, so you can leave your comment below. And if you like this video and want to support more content like this, subscribe to the channel and give me thumbs up. For the next video, I will be working on the new pulley concept. I think this is all for this one. So see you on the next one.